If you want to strengthen your investment portfolio, adding bonds can be one way to diversify and calming volatility. But to many investors, bonds can be a complex thing because of the fancy finance terminology. While in truth, bonds are easy to understand. In this video, we will explore the basics of bonds and how you can profit from it. In truth, bonds are just simple debt instruments. A bond is a loan made by an investor to a company or government. These companies then are able to use this fund as they wish. Usually, they are used for financing projects and operations. Investors who hold the bond gets paid interest by holding the bond. Both governments and companies use bonds often to borrow money. Governments need to fund public infrastructure and companies use bonds to grow their business. At this point, you may ask, why are these companies issue bonds if they can just borrow money from a bank? This is because many large organizations typically need more money than the average bank can provide. Bonds can come in handy because it can be issued to the public, allowing thousands of people to be the lender. Bonds are a type of fixed income securities. This means that you will receive a fixed amount of income at regular intervals in the form of coupon payments by holding a bond. This makes bonds attractive to investors because it is often considered as a low-risk investment that you can use as an alternative to stocks or for diversifying. Imagine a company wanting to raise funds for a new project, so they issue bonds to the public. Each bond is priced $1,000, which the company promises to pay back in 15 years. The company also pays interest in order to make the bond more attractive for investors. Suppose that interest is at 5%. Because you are interested, you bought the bond at $1,000. So each year for the next 15 years, you'll get $50 per year. And when the bond reaches maturity, the company pays back the $1,000 that you lend them. In this scenario, both you and the company are happy. The company managed to fund their successful project, and you get your money back plus the interest. But of course, every investment instrument has its risks, including bonds. If you lend your money to a company, there's a chance that the company goes bankrupt and default on your bonds. Oftentimes, bonds with a higher default risk also come with a higher interest rate. This risk is called the default risk, and in order to avoid this risk, you need to be sure about the company's financial stability. Typically, this risk doesn't apply for bonds that are issued by the government. After all, the chances of a government defaulting is much lower than a company defaulting, although that can happen too. This is why the government can issue bonds regularly, and they pay lower interest than most companies. In order to evaluate bonds, investors often rely on credit ratings from credit rating agencies such as Moody and Fitch. They rate a company's ability to repay its obligations. Ratings range from AAA to D, AAA being the most secure and D for companies that are currently in default. Note that companies with lower ratings usually issue bonds with higher interest, especially bonds rated BB to BA or below, which are called junk bonds, as they have high risk of default and considered speculative. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.